Exploring the benefits of homemade rosemary water for hair, shine, health, and growth. Rosemary water has gained popularity as a natural remedy for promoting hair health, shine, and growth. This herbal infusion is believed to offer a range of benefits for the hair, including increased shine, improved health, and potentially faster growth. Let's delve into the factors that contribute to these claims and explore the science behind the use of homemade rosemary water for hair care. Stimulating circulation. Rosemary is thought to have properties that may enhance blood circulation when applied to the scalp. Improved blood flow can potentially nourish hair follicles, promoting healthier hair. Antioxidant effects. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants, which may help protect the hair and scalp from oxidative stress. This protection could contribute to shinier and more resilient hair. DHT inhibition. Some studies suggest that rosemary may inhibit the production of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. By potentially reducing DHT levels, rosemary water might indirectly support hair growth. Reducing dandruff and itching. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a potential ally against dandruff and scalp irritation. A healthier scalp environment can contribute to overall hair health. Improving hair texture. Regular use of rosemary water is claimed to improve the texture of hair, making it softer and more manageable. This effect is often attributed to the herb's conditioning properties. Promoting relaxation and stress reduction. The aroma of rosemary is known for its calming effects. Using rosemary water in hair care may contribute to stress reduction, indirectly benefiting hair health. While anecdotal evidence and some studies suggest potential benefits of using homemade rosemary water for hair, individual responses can vary. Factors such as hair type, overall health, and genetics play a role in the effectiveness of any hair care remedy. If you're considering incorporating rosemary water into your hair care routine, it's essential to do a patch test and monitor your hair's response. Additionally, consulting with a healthcare professional or dermatologist can provide personalized insights based on your specific needs and conditions.